How to add schema in WordPress website. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used content management system that allows users to create and manage websites with ease. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And you will be able to be directed on this dashboard in here, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. And adding schema to WordPress site serve as several important purposes in which all it aim at improving how the site is understood by search engines and how it appears in search result. And now to start adding a schema in WordPress, just simply go to the plugins and click add new plugin button. And just simply go to the search bar on the top right and search for this Rank Math SEO. Upon clicking on it, it will show you below the result and just simply click the first result that come up with over 3 million active installation. So to proceed, just simply click this install now button in here. So after installing it, just simply proceed by clicking the activate button once it has been installed. And again, upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed on this Rank Math SEO, and from here we can start clicking the skip now button to proceed, and it will show you how to start setting up your account on this plugins. But just click return to dashboard button in here in order to return to this dashboard. And after that, below just simply enable the schema option in here. So just simply scroll down under this module section until you find this option that says schema or structured data. Make sure to turn on or enable this one to use it in our pages. And to start applying it in our page, just click this pages and simply select here the pages and click edit. Upon editing it, you'll be able to be directed in this edit section, and it will show you on the top right corner this option in here, which is Rank Math. By clicking on it, all you need to do is simply navigate on the right side panel. To add a schema, you can start clicking this option in here, right here, schema. And below it will show you the schema in use is this article as a default. And by editing this, we can start navigating on this pop-up window to edit the article and also the headline, description, the keywords, and even choose the article type that we prefer. So for example, in this one, I'm just going to enter a random headline and also description keywords in here. And after that, just click save for this post. And upon doing so, you will also click this schema generator, in which they also have here available different types such as book, course, event, and many more. And now to proceed, you can now click the save button on the top right once the schema has been added. But overall, that is just basically how to add a schema in WordPress website.